So here we have the exterior view of a pneumatically actuated globe valve. I'm just going to refer to it as a globe valve from now on, otherwise the video is going to get quite long. And if we keep going up, we can now see the pneumatic part of the valve. This is the exterior of the pneumatic actuator, as we call it. So two different areas. So the body down here, this is completely mechanical. The indicator in the middle and the pneumatic section on the top. What we've actually got is a diaphragm. That's this black area on the top of the springs. You can see I'm looking straight at it now. Underneath the diaphragm, we've got a spring. In fact, we've got two springs. And below that, we go down, we've got our indicator again. And the shaft comes down here and connects onto this item, which people refer to as a disc or sometimes a lid. We can see it's moving back up. So what just happened? I'm going to back it up again. At the top, in this space, this whole compartment above the diaphragm, so above the black area at the bottom, this is all full of compressed air. Now this is going to be 6 or 7 bar of pressure, and when we flood that area with compressed air, which is coming through this connection in the middle of the screen, this type of valve is called a globe valve. And we can see from its shape, it shapes slightly like a globe if you've got a very warped sense of vision. And the type of globe valve that it is called a straight flow valve or a Z type valve. The pressure comes in and it pushes the diaphragm down. What it's actually doing is overcoming the spring tension, and it is compressing the springs. So the compressed air is pushing down and putting those springs under compression.